Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
In this video, we'll show you how to use the Clipboard feature in the BI Gateway. This will allow you to copy and paste multiple values into your story. Let's begin. Starting from our home page, I'll click on the Catalog tab here to see all of my stories. Then, I'll use the search bar here to type in the fun details statement and click on Open. At the prompt screen, I'll quickly delete this value by clicking on the X button here. Now, I can load up multiple values into the story using the clipboard here. In this window, I can copy and paste my values directly here. I have some values already in my notepad that I will quickly copy over and paste. If you ever wanted to do range values, then be sure to separate your values with a comma or semicolon. After pasting our values, we'll click on OK. We can see the values we are loading into the story right here. Now, if we click on Set, we can see the story load with the values or data we pasted into the clipboard. Feel free to use this tip when you have multiple values you want to load into your story.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.